Alrighty guys, we are back for another throwback tutorial, this time using the Too Faced Chocolate Bar palette. I prime my eyes, like always, with my CoverGirl lid lockup, and then I am first going in with the shade Milk Chocolate and swiping that through my crease. Next, I'm digging into the shade Cherry Cordial with a flat shader brush, and I'm first starting at the outermost corner of my eye, patting that in. Then slowly but surely I blend it and build it inwards towards about the inner half of my eyelid. Then I take a smaller detailer brush and also run that same shade all the way along my lower lash line. Moving into this gorgeous shimmery golden shade called Creme Brulee, I'm actually taking a finger, my ring finger to be exact, and I am patting that in the inner half of my lid, starting with my inner corner and then working it right to where it meets that deep burgundy I just applied. Then last for the shadows, yes, this look is that easy, I'm going into the shade Champagne Truffle and a detailer brush and patting that in my inner corner. Then I'm lining my waterline with Smashbox's Always Sharp Waterproof Kohl Eyeliner in the shade Violetta. Then to finish off the lashes, I'm going in with Butter London's Stroke of Wow mascara, giving my lashes a few good coats of that, both top and bottom, and that's it for the eyes. To start the face off, I'm going in with a foundation that I actually rediscovered in the last throwback tutorial I did. This is the Natasha Denona Foundation X, and I love how natural this looks on my skin. I mean, of course, it is buildable to completely full coverage, but it's this gorgeous satin matte texture that evens out my skin without looking too heavy or cakey. And my concealer is another rediscovered throwback. It is my Tarte Shape Tape. I'm dabbing just a teensy little bit of that in my under eye area and then dabbing the rest of that along my chin, around my nose, basically wherever else I have redness. Onto the brows. I actually forgot to shoot a close-up for this, but it's nothing new. It's not really a throwback because I've been using it for the past few months, but it is my trusty CoverGirl Micro Fine and Define Brow Pencil. Starting to tackle the rest of my face, I'm first starting with bronzer. This is Physicians Formula's Mineral Wear Talc-Free Mineral Airbrushing Bronzer. Has an SPF of 30, and I feel like the Butter Bronzer gets all the love, but this is actually a super underrated bronzer from Physicians Formula, so I decided to dig it back out and use it for this look. And then the blush I reached for is from Milani. It is just their powder blush in the shade 05 Coral Cove. I'm taking a blush brush and swiping that right on the apples of my cheeks and then blending it back, sticking pretty close to the tops of my cheekbones. And then for the highlight, this one is seriously underloved. Again, from Milani, it is one of their Strobe Light Instant Glow powders. This is the shade 02 or Day Glow, and I'm pretty much just bathing in it. Yeah, that's it. Finishing off this look is the lips. This is actually a new product, the opposite of a throwback. This is one of the new Becca and Chrissy Teigen Glow Glosses in the shade Beach Bum. It's a real one and done sort of shade because it has a good amount of pigmentation, so you can really just swipe it on for full coverage, high glossy shine, and you're pretty much good to go. Speaking of, that is it for creating this look. I really hope you guys enjoyed it, and I always love to hear what palettes, products, all that kind of stuff you want to see me use in another throwback tutorial in the future. Let me know down below. Besides that, guys, thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you in the next video. Bye, guys!